It's okay, Rosie. Go back to sleep. Go back to sleep. It's alright. Go back to sleep. Here, I'll give you a belly rub. Want a good belly rub, huh? I want a good belly rub. Go back to sleep. Go back to sleep. It's alright. Go back to sleep. It's okay, Rosie. It's alright. You go back to sleep. Gonna go back to bed at your own bed in a moment anyway. Josie, want to come put her to bed? Josie, gonna come put her to bed? Right now she's in my lap if you can't tell. Joseph. It's okay, girl. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Yes.
You wanna come put her to bed?
He's not going to bed yet.
Well, she's ready for bed and Myron's falling asleep. Rosie, I love you to pieces, but you gotta go to bed.
How do we do this?
Easy, reach down and get her. Okay, alright. Alright, Rosie, it's okay. Come Oh,
Careful. You don't want to drop her.
I wouldn't dream of it. She's my baby. Okay, Rosie, say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Rosie.